Hi, fellow Greasy Garage Dwellers. I'm Chuck. This is Up Chuck Chops. Thanks for joining me. Today, we're going to fix my top box. I hope. As usual, I don't know what I'm doing. But Pops donated this nice Shad SH37 little top box that he ended up not keeping on his V-Strom. So, the thing is, and you probably won't be able to see it, this lock turns, but there's half a key in the lock. And that's not awesome. So I called old Revzilla up on the internet, or Partzilla, one of the Zillas, and got a new lock set and new keys. I popped it open, glanced at it. That was like 3 weeks ago. I've been a busy boy. That's also why the videos are kind of hit and miss, but we'll get there. They sent some stickers, some Law Tiger and Common Thread, Revzilla, Rever. I guess I'm sponsored by them now because they did give me a free set of stickers. Thank you. Progressive advertisement. I already use Progressive because they have an app. When I'm in the boonies and have a little bit of cell signal, I can get covered and ride home. Mostly legally. Let's see if we can figure this out. Why is a lock important, you ask? Because I keep stuff in here and I don't want it stolen. And I'm aware that you could just bash through this plastic. But that would draw a lot of attention for the things that aren't very valuable in here. Dog just rode by. Anyhow, I don't think most people are going to chance drawing all that attention for something in this small. This box is like 150, 160 bucks. This lock set was like 35, I think. So I thought, you know what? That's probably worth it to have to fix rather than replace. And I've not done this before. There are no instructions, so I guess they're hoping it's dummy proof. Let's get to work. Kind of looks like these little tabs should release. It takes some effort. You gotta want it. You gotta push this kind of hard. And then on this side, you kind of gotta grab this and, well, on this side, you kind of gotta pull, pull while you're pushing them to those two tabs, and then it comes out. And I don't know where that piece goes, but it's here on my floor. I bet it. Oh, those are the tabs on the inside. All right, that's done. That little guy. This washer was behind it. Lock set came out. Set that to the side. I need a big wrench for this. This wrench may be overkill. Okay, it's out. Slide that in. I don't know what the torque spec is, but that's enough. New locker. New nut. Wouldn't you know it? Different size wrench. Try to make it a millimeter smaller. Okay. See if it does the thing. Apparently so. That is awesome. So now this should just slide back into place, and these catches on the plastic part should fit in those. These seem to slide up in these channels and then they'll roll in. I hope. I'm missing something here. I'm getting mad. The hard thing is, I think, you gotta get that hooked into here all at the same time. And I only have enough fingers to do like 2 of the 3 things at once. Alright, folks. That is the correct orientation for these tabs, brackets, whatever you want to call them. So I fought this for a minute. Let's try it again. The real trick is getting this bottom piece to latch into here. But, yeah, here's hoping. Too far. Oh, and I missed it. Oh, darn it. Aggravating. Now I gotta shove that way wide open. Get that metal piece. This locks it on the bike. We'll loosen it just a little. I'm afraid of wearing these tabs out. Okay, that's sort of caught. Okay. Checking. Okay, that operates. Now, I just need to see if my key works. No open. Open. I did it, folks. I did it. My Shad SH37 top box is now lockable and operational. I can put, you know, things like registration in it and my Odin gloves and whatever else I don't want lost, stolen, or broken in here and lock it up and be safe. I got to put these on the bike's key rings and then snap it back on the bike. I think I'm set. This wasn't hard. It would have been way easier if I had paid attention to the orientation of the little clips that slide up and in. It's really kind of a neat design. Um, but you know, you'll have that on a day trying to get something done in the garage. That happens. If you watch this far, thanks for watching. I sure do appreciate any likes, comments, and subscriptions. I gotta say it. I'm obviously behind on my 2 video a week schedule. Work picked up. I ain't making my goal this year. I'm already too far behind. But I can still make videos and have fun, and that's what I'm going to do. So, still have the KZ 400. Still have the KZ 400 in progress. It's just much slower progress. Still riding. Still have a little work to do to the old scooter. And I'm riding that little Honda Metropolitan new scooter all the time. It's a blast. Trying to cook up some video making, some content, something interesting. Having a hard time. Been short on time. But it's the way it goes. I'm glad I have a lockable top box. We'll get this one out there to the internets and see what happens next time. Keep riding, keep wrenching. I'll catch you next time. Little PS here. The 10 out of 10 recommend if you have one of these boxes. Revzilla or Partzilla, whichever one. I think they're the same people. Different name. But anyhow, it was a perfect fit. The only problem I had was this up here. So, yeah, good product. It said it was a direct factory replacement. It was. That's pretty awesome. Bye-bye.